So my name is Siddhant Kandoi. We manufacture components for the railways as well as the Navy, and I'm the director, and the company's name is Indistrokes Pvt Ltd. So basically, we make child parts for the Indian Railways, for the Metro division. Then we also make parts for the Indian Navy, but we mostly use your machine for the Metro division. We make very precision parts like sole bar, cantrail, side wall and end wall of metros, as well as other trains of passenger coaches. Mostly it's between 0.2 to 0.5 mm. So we have to keep our tolerances within that. So currently I'm using a 3 kilowatt machine, and the performance I would say is good. It's fairly good. Of course, it speeds up the production speed. I mean, what would typically take maybe 15 minutes on a standard machine, on a laser you can do it in 5. So 30% is good enough, I feel. I just felt that I should prioritize an Indian brand if it is matching the same price point as a Chinese machine. And service also is more convenient. Liaising with the Chinese company will be a little more difficult, whereas liaising with SLTL is very easy. You give them a call and they're at your doorstep the next day.